What's going on, guys? My name is Patrick. Today I want to show you how to do statistical crypto arbitrage in Binance. So when you come over to this side and you click sign in over here and use your account to sign in, then I'm going to show you how the analytics look like and how all the arbitrage process looks like. So I'm going to filter from 6 a.m. because I understand most of the crypto prices will often rise from 6 p.m. So I've a total of 5 models. So I'm gonna check out all the models, but depending on the model that you choose, they have different predictions accuracies. So like this one is the weakest model here, and we have all the way to number 5. So from the model 1, as you can see, today is on February the 3rd, and we are all at around 6 minutes to 11 a.m. And you can see that our model has already predicted the price and it recommends other USDT as the best crypto to invest on, so that you can resell it at 11 a.m. if all it rises or its price rise. So like in this case, up to now we've made a profit of 9%, and I'm gonna choose another one here, model 2, and see how it looks like and what crypto the model is recommending. Yeah, so this one has a little bit of has a higher actual return of around 13%, and it recommends USDT. And this is essentially how this recommendation platform looks like. So what you do is that assuming you have an active Binance account, so you've got to just come over to this dashboard, and assuming you have like 50 USDT, then you can just convert it to DOT, and assuming that the recommended crypto here, the DOT, rises by 5%, then you have a chance to make a 5% profit, and then you can resell it, or not just resell it, convert it back to USDT, or just wait for 12 noon and see what the model recommends. So when it recommends maybe another one like FTT, then you can just buy it, and the same process continues. Or just as the same way you could have maybe chosen dot here, and maybe after you've made your 6% profit, then you can wait for instance, you can wait for 10 a.m. This one had recommended FTT, so you just convert your dot to USDT. It's easy peasy in Binance, and it's free actually. It doesn't cost you anything to convert from one crypto to another. So you convert it back to USDT, and you make another 4% like that. And then for now, let's say, just like now, you can just convert the crypto back to DOT, and hopefully wait that the crypto will rise. So another thing to note, guys, is that on weekends we don't expect crypto to rise. So like for this case, Feb 2nd was on a Sunday, so I don't expect the crypto to rise. The same case as on Saturday. So I'm not like, I always caution people against trading on weekends, because not so many people are trading. And remember that we're just like exploiting an opportunity when people trade in Binance. So like essentially this is how the platform looks like, and I hope you're going to give it a trial. It's absolutely free. You can try it for as long as you like. Yeah, and let me know your opinions.